Page 31, Little Rock. This is a piece again in G major, 1 sharp. This is using the chords primarily. I'm telling you above about broken chords and block chords. Well, take a look at the second line, the last 2 measures. When you play a chord, all the notes at the same time, those are block chords, B-L-O-C-K, block. Anything else is a broken chord. So at the beginning, it's those same chords, but it's played 1 note at a time. That's a broken chord. The other 2 measures in the first line, it's an F chord. It's a broken chord. I'm not doing the rhythm, I'm just doing the notes, because that's what we're after. Third line down, a broken chord, you just go the other way. Doesn't matter what the pattern is. If they're not together, it's a broken chord. I don't have a lot to say here. You're starting out with the G chord, and the third measure over, you're coming down, but they put in a natural sign. So now it's an F chord. Second line back to G chord. It's like it's in the key of G major, but you're not using any F sharps. All the Fs they give you are naturals. Well, they can do that, so okay. If that's what they want. It's still in the key of G major, though. The slurs in the first line, you're going to connect all those with the hands. And then put a little break in the sound between the phrases. So you hear, you lift up before you play the F. So don't connect the D and the F. Between the second and third measures of the first line, don't connect those notes. Lift up and then go. Same thing, a little break in the sound before you go to the second line. So to do the first couple of lines for you, it's that. Like so. Now on the staccatos, there's a couple ways we can do these staccatos. You can do them with the wrist. It's fine. It's loud. You can get loud that way, that's fine. If your muscles are, you're small and the muscles aren't letting you do that, then you have to use the arm staccato, which is from the elbow, boom, 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 boom. It's a heavier staccato. Don't use it unless you have to. But if you have to, it's a much louder, bangier, get them type staccato. But I'll leave that up to you, whether you do wrist or arm. Do wrist if you can. And put in the accent. See the accent there? Just give it a little extra oomph. There's a reason for that. It has to do with syncopation. I don't know if we talked about syncopation in that or not. It's a syncopated note, and that's why we're accenting it. So let's try this out slowly to check the notes and the rhythms and articulation and all that. Hopefully counting won't be a problem. There's no eighth notes in it. You're just counting 1, 2, 3, 4. So start out in G position. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2. 3, rest. 2, 2, 2.